most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Winds still brisk across the area. I mentioned this earlier. I still think we're going to hold on to those 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds with some slightly higher gusts. Seeing that right now, Cumberland County and Crossville atop City Hall. Roadways just look damp, and I don't see anything currently. Yeah, it does look like a little bit of snow is falling. If you look at the very top up there under the lights, you can see it looks like a little bit of snow is coming down there. We do have some snow blowing almost sideways right here. Gatlinburg Sky Park as well. So again, elevation there about 1,700 feet, I think. Winds brisk as well. And I've been looking at this. This is our McLeod mountain camera, about 2,000 feet in elevation in Campbell County. Look, there's a little bit of a light snow coating on the deck there, the observation deck, and the chairs as well as a little band kind of move through the area there. Winds are still very brisk. These are the gusts right now, so not sustained winds, but the 1 minute gust average that we have. So 42 gusting there in Gatlinburg, 36 in Maynardville, 37 here in Knoxville, and 39 in the Crossville area. Wind advisory still in effect for everybody overnight tonight. What does that mean? Pretty much what I just said. 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds, some slightly higher gusts. That 50 is probably the outlier. I'd say at times it's mainly going to be in that 40 mile per hour range of those higher gusts. But we will see that right through the night tonight, including here in Knoxville. Okay, here's an hour by hour look from midnight tonight, showing our gusts at about 34. Getting up into that mid to upper 30s range overnight, and then slowly coming down mid-morning tomorrow to about 29. And I think we'll stay in that 15 to 25 range throughout the day tomorrow, with highs in the low to mid 40s, so wind chill highs in the 30s much of the day tomorrow. All right, I showed you the snow across portions of the area. That purple is snow in the higher elevations of the Smokies. Downtown Gatlinburg still at 41 right now, and even across portions of Scott, Campbell counties, we've got mid to upper 30s, so that snow that was lying there on the deck, most likely that deck there at McLeod Mountain, a little cooler than other surfaces out there. So that's kind of what I expect as we go through the night tonight. Let's take a look hour by hour here. We'll go from where we are right now to 11 o'clock. This band of moisture we have doesn't last long. This is our window of opportunity now. I'd say between about 4 o'clock in the morning. By 7, it is already gone. So we've got about a 4 to 5 hour window if we're going to be seeing some snow accumulations across the area. This model's been very consistent over the past day and a half, we'll say, showing about a ½ inch or less across portions of the plateau. Cumberland, Fentress counties, even up there in Campbell County. I just showed you that light dusting on the deck areas there up in McLeod Mountain. Pretty similar to, I think, what we would see in many places. North Knox, Union, Granger, Jefferson, Hamlin, maybe a car top or a rooftop, or where it gets kind of collected right there on the eaves of your roofs. That wouldn't surprise me there. 1 to 2, but highest elevations of the Smokies. My main concern, these road surface temperatures, the forecast here. We're getting close to the freezing mark by 7 a.m. in some spots. So yeah, there could be a bridge over an overpass that could be on the slick side. I don't think it'll be widespread, but maybe 1 or 2. So just use caution there first thing tomorrow morning. Highs tomorrow, as I mentioned, we're above freezing. So whatever snow did fall, it'll be gone by the afternoon. Still looks like the pick of the week. That's going to be Thursday. Sunshine, lighter wind, and low 50s. But guess what happens Friday? More wind, more rain. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. That storm system rolls through. It's windy. It's wet once again. Guess the good news is this pulls out pretty quick. And by the time we get to the weekend, it's a little bit quieter. But it's a lot colder. Temperatures only in the upper 30s both days this weekend, but that's really nothing compared to next week. I really think that Arctic air push is going to arrive after the first half of next week. We'll see morning lows in the teens, if not some single digits in some spots Tuesday and Wednesday. And oh yeah, we'll talk about that rain snow possibility on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We're going to keep a close eye on that.